Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to enable or disable JavaScript in Google Chrome web browser. I show you guys how to do that. First open up Chrome, click on this three dot icon and select settings. In the search setting you just need to search for JavaScript. After searching it, click on site settings or here. Now you just need to scroll down, click on JavaScript. You can allow sites can use JavaScript guys, and you can also don't allow sites to use JavaScript. That's up to your choice guys. I'm gonna allow this, and there is no save changes option is listed over here guys. Just go back or relaunch it the Chrome, and the save changes will take effect. And that's all you have to do it guys. That's it for today's video guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.